Yeah, no, he got all of those. How did he know that? Wow. The parrot's just like, yeah, that was no big deal. What's next, human? You can do it, parrot. You can do it. Oh my god, he figured it out. How did he know that was the right key? Honestly, how did he do that? Oh, what are they giving him to drink? Oh my gosh, he drinks it like a human. Is it Coke? Also, it's a parrot-sized glass. That's amazing. Oh, man. There's so many steps here. Alright, here he goes. I love what it's doing with its little hand. Man, he got that run right away. He knew exactly where to start. I think it's unscrewing it with its tongue. That's pretty amazing. It's a little stop to think, no worries. Easy peasy pudding and pie. That's all you got, human? Give me a treat.